Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe in your home. So, today, children, in moral science, we are going to do reflections of chapter 7. In this, we will know about cleanliness. So, cleanliness is a very important aspect of life. Children, we should know that cleanliness it is very important part of our life, or it is very important quality which we should have in our life, because many diseases can be prevented if we wash our hands frequently. So, for preventing or being free or getting rid of many kinds of diseases, we should wash our hands frequently, regularly. So, see, did you wash your hands? You spread germs if you don't. So, children, if you don't wash your hands, different kinds of germs are spread, because these germs which are in our hands are not visible to us, but they stay in our hands, and that is very important to be removed. So we should wash our hands with soap and water, because what will happen if we touch anything and then we eat anything, then what will happen? The thing which we have eaten, the food which we have eaten, or anything which we have eaten, it may get germs. It may get germs through our hand. Then we may fall sick, or anything which we touch. Suppose anything we are touching and our hand is not washed and it contains germs, and the other person, if he also touches the same thing, then that disease or the germs, it can be passed to the other person also. So that is spreading the disease or the germs, it spreads. So we should wash our hands properly. Now, when to wash your hands? When you get home. So, when we are outside and when we go inside our home, we should wash our hands properly, because when we are out, we don't know how many things we have touched, to whom we have met. So, the hands, they may contain germs in them, so we should wash them before eating. It is very necessary, as I had explained you, that if we don't wash our hands, the germs can go in our stomach and make us sick. After you go to the bathroom, so our feces, the waste materials, they contain different kinds of germs, and when we wash them, they can stick in our hands, and it is very necessary for us to get rid of those things, and through washing our hands with the soap and water, they can be removed. After you sneeze or cough, so after we sneeze or cough, our hands should be washed. After you play with pets, so after playing with the pets also, we should wash our hands, because these pets also, in the body there can be different kinds of germs. After you play outside, so after we play outside, we should wash our hands, because we have touched many things, many playing things, playing materials which may contain germs in them. So our hands should be washed properly. Now we can keep our teeth healthy by brushing them every morning, on waking up, and at night just before going to bed. So, to keep our teeth healthy, what we should do? We should brush them every morning, on waking up, and at night just before going to bed. Because if we don't brush our teeth may get damaged, and then we may suffer from different kinds of pain, and teeth may break easily also. Now, when we sweep and dust our house, we get rid of the dust that we would otherwise inhale. So, children, what we should do? We should sweep and dust our house properly. Why? Because dusting removes the germs which are present. Otherwise, what will happen? Suppose we don't dust our house, we don't clean our house, then the dust particles which are in our house, they can go inside us. Inhale means when we take in air, when we breathe air, the dust particles, they may go in, and the dust particles also, they contain a lot of germs in them and make us sick. Now, when we wear clean clothes and wash our bodies regularly, we feel clean and fresh. Yes. So, we should wear clean clothes and wash our bodies regularly. We should take bath regularly and we should wear clean clothes also. When we wear clean clothes, when we take bath properly, then what happens? We feel clean and fresh. Otherwise, we don't feel clean and fresh over there. We feel idle, or we don't like to do anything. When we are not clean, when we don't wash our bodies, when we don't take bath, we don't look nice. Now when we practice cleanliness, we stay healthy. Yes, it is very important for us to be clean. When we want to stay healthy, we should be clean, so that the diseases, they can be prevented. Moreover, cleanliness uplifts the soul, and cleanliness also uplifts our soul. So, what happens? We know that cleanliness is next to godliness. That means when we are clean, we are very near to God. God also like those who are very neat and clean. Now, children, answer in one or few words. Let us do from the chapter. So where did Ravi often play? Do you remember? So Ravi, he was a boy who often played in mud and sand. So you have to give the answer in one or few words. So you can say in mud and sand. Who advised time and again to Ravi to keep himself clean? So who advised? Mother. Mother, she used to say Ravi that Ravi, keep yourself clean. Otherwise, you may get sick. Now, what was the name of Ravi's friend? So, Ravi's friend, his name was Manoj. We have read in the story that Ravi was playing with Manoj with a football. Both of them were playing. Now, what uplifts our soul? So, cleanliness, it uplifts our soul. Where did Ravi go to bring the ball? So, where did he go to bring the ball? He went inside the pond. And the pond was dirty. He went inside the pond to bring the ball when it has fallen inside. What is very important aspect of life? So, we know, children, that cleanliness is a very important aspect of life. It is a very important part of our life. So, we should stay neat and clean. So, thank you everyone. Bye.